If you're looking to grow your online business, you've probably heard of Kajabi, but the real question is it still the best choice in 2025? So, Kajabi has been making waves in 2025 with some huge updates that might just change the game for digital creators like you. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what's new, what's better, and whether Kajabi is still one of the top all-in-one platforms for growing your online business. If you've been wondering if Kajabi is worth the investment this year, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, if you decide Kajabi is the right fit for you, I've got a special link that gives you a 30-day free trial. That's 16 extra days compared to the usual 14-day trial. Plus, you'll get instant access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course and premium Notion templates worth over $900 for free, just as a thank you for using my link. More on that later though. But for now, let's get into the review and see if Kajabi really lives up to the hype in 2025. Kajabi is well known for offering a powerful all-in-one platform. It brings together course hosting, marketing tools, website design, and community features in one place. Over the years, Kajabi has worked hard to get better. It has made its interface easier to use and added smart tools powered by AI. One of the biggest changes is Kajabi's fresh design, which came with a major rebrand. The new look has modern colors, cleaner fonts, and an easy-to-use menu that helps both new and experienced users find things quickly. Now let's go over some of Kajabi's key features that make it such a great all-in-one platform for digital creators. First, let's talk about the courses feature, which is one of Kajabi's main strengths. You can create and launch online courses with an easy-to-use drag-and-drop builder that makes content creation super simple. Plus, you can add videos, quizzes, and interactive modules. It's straightforward and flexible. Next up is the coaching feature, which has been optimized for mentors and professional coaches. You can now schedule one-on-one or group coaching sessions, track progress, and even take payments. With Kajabi's new ability to easily set up and manage coaching programs, you can expand your services and offerings beyond just online courses. This adds a whole new level of value for your clients and potential customers. Furthermore, the platform has made it much easier to build a community. Kajabi now gives creators a special space to bring together people who share the same interests. This helps everyone connect, work together, and share ideas and experiences. For example, a wellness coach could create a group where members talk about their health journeys, swap fitness tips, and cheer each other on. This kind of space does more than just bring people together. It helps build strong connections within the group and creates a loyal audience. On the financial side, Kajabi makes handling payments simple and secure. The platform has a built-in system for processing payments, so digital creators can easily manage transactions for courses, coaching, and other services. It's reliable and easy to use, which is exactly what you need to keep things running smoothly. When it comes to building your online presence, Kajabi makes it simple with its powerful website tools. You don't need to be a tech expert to create a professional looking site. With Kajabi's ready-made templates, you can build a great website that looks good and works well. Imagine you're a creative writer who wants to share your work online. Kajabi helps you easily create a site that shows off your writing while matching your personal style and brand. Moreover, the branded app feature is a smart way to grow your online presence. It lets you create a custom mobile app that puts your brand right in your audience's hands. For example, a cooking teacher could make an app with special recipes, how-to videos, and live Q&A sessions for subscribers. Additionally, Kajabi's marketing tools make it easy for creators to promote their content and reach more people. You can create email campaigns, build funnels, set up automation, and design events and forms. Finally, there's AMA. This is Kajabi's AI assistant. It helps you create content, research topics, write code, and support many other functions. Now, let's talk about Kajabi's pricing and how it matches the features they offer. Kajabi has 4 pricing plans to fit different business needs. The Kickstarter plan costs $89 per month and is great for beginners looking to get their business started. Next, the basic plan is $149 per month and gives you everything you need to grow your online presence. Then, the growth plan is $199 per month. It comes with advanced tools to help your business expand smoothly. Finally, the Pro plan is $399 per month. This one is built for well-established businesses that need powerful tools and full support to keep things running strong. Now, let's answer the big question. Is Kajabi worth the investment? If you want to grow an online business and keep everything in one place, then it's a great option. It's simple to use, has powerful tools to help your business, and makes things easier. Plus, it offers good value with its premium plans. You get everything you need without having to juggle different platforms, which saves both time and money. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope this review helps you understand if Kajabi is the right platform for your business. If you want to try Kajabi, I've got a special link for you. It gives you a 30-day free trial, which is much longer than the usual 14 days. And as a thank you for using my link, you'll get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course and premium Notion templates for free. These templates are worth over $900, but you'll get them all for free as a bonus. So make sure to check the link in the description and claim your bonuses. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.